Let's try drinking candy. So I saw these at my supermarket and they just look like powdered version of the candies that we eat. And all you gotta do is pour them into a glass and add some water, mix, and you're drinking candy. Wow. It's not really sour. It tastes like a mix between Skittles and fruit punch. It's a bit weird trying to imagine that flavor without the experience of biting into a Skittle. So in terms of resemblance to an actual Skittle, I would give this maybe a 6.1 out of 10. Jolly Rancher. And this one is watermelon. Okay, this really smells like the actual watermelon Jolly Rancher. That's the same thing. It honestly tastes like I have a Jolly Rancher in my mouth, minus the actual candy. So in terms of resemblance, this is a 9.8 out of 10. Starburst. And this one is strawberry. It smells like strawberry candy. Yeah, that's the taste of a strawberry Starburst. It's not as close as the Jolly Rancher was, but it's up there. In terms of resemblance, I'm giving this a 9.4 out of 10. Jelly Belly. Berry Blue. I never really ate Jelly Bellies growing up, so I don't know how this is supposed to taste. That doesn't really taste as much of anything. Maybe like a fruit punch as well. I don't know, maybe because it's blue, I'm thinking of a blue Freezy, but not as sweet. It's whatever, it's a good drink, I guess, but yeah, I don't know what Jelly Belly is supposed to taste like. So in terms of resemblance, the Jolly Rancher was on point. It was pretty much the same. So yeah, I guess you can also eat your candy and drink it too.